geez, 30 plus years. And I tell you that story to just really emphasize the importance of community, getting out and helping your neighbors in need. Because together we can have absolute impact, not only on individuals that are experiencing these challenges in our community, but also that we can have an impact on generations to come. Because those four men, way back when, went and cared for my father was able to overcome generations of abuse and addiction and become one of the best dads you could possibly imagine. So that I could have that model in my life and then go and get great that for my kid. And so again, the great work that you guys are doing here is helping to build a strong community that we can wrap around our young people, we can wrap around our families. I once heard somebody say, if we want to meet the needs of young people in our community, we need to work towards strengthening families. And in order to strengthen families, we need to wrap strong community with these families. And again, so I just want to thank the recipients today, Canadian Somali Society, and other organizations, the Abdi Collective, for the amazing work that you guys continue to do. And let you know how proud the provincial government and myself, how proud we are to be able to partner with you with the great work that you do. And I just look forward to so many more years of being able to work together. And with that said, again, thank you to the recipients, and we look forward to honoring you today.
Awesome. Okay, so we will go with
there's an unhappy dog over there.
Okay, the second last recipient of the award is Abdi Hersy. Abdi Hersy is a renowned scholar, family conflict resolver, advocate for the community, all around Canada. He supports Somali communities all over Canada life. His humanitarian advocacy has no age and time limit. Abdi Hersy is also the Imam of the Prophet.